Hi, and welcome to this step-by-step tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to build a simple sales page using WordPress. We'll use the Divi theme to make the design process easy and flexible. You don't need any coding knowledge. Just follow along with this video and by the end, you'll have a clean and effective sales page ready to go. There's a link in the description if you want to try Divi from Elegant Themes for a great price. Let's get started. First, you need to have WordPress installed. Most web hosting providers like Bluehost, SiteGround, or Hostinger offer one-click WordPress installs. If your site is already set up with WordPress, you can skip this step. Once you have WordPress installed, log in to your WordPress dashboard. This is usually at your domain name followed by /wp-admin. For example, yourwebsite.com/wp-admin. Now it's time to install the Divi theme. You'll need to download Divi from Elegant Themes. Again, the link is in the description. After downloading the Divi theme zip file, go back to your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand menu, hover over Appearance and click on Themes. Then click Add New at the top and click Upload Theme. Choose the Divi zip file from your computer and click Install Now. Once it's installed, click Activate. You now have Divi running on your WordPress site. Next, we'll create a new page that will become our sales page. On the left menu, click Pages, then click Add New. Give your page a title, something like Sales Page or the name of your product. Now click the button that says Use Divi Builder. Divi will ask if you want to build from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, or clone an existing page. For this tutorial, let's build from scratch. You'll now see a blank page with three options. Click on Start Building. First, you'll be asked to add a new row. Choose the single column option for now. Then you'll be asked to add a module. A module is a content block, like text, images, or buttons. Let's start with a text module. Click on Text. This will be your headline. Write a short and clear headline that explains what your product or service does. For example, get more skincare clients in 30 days with our proven strategy. Use the settings on the left to change the text size, color, and alignment. Make the headline large and bold so it grabs attention. Once you're happy with the headline, click the green check mark to save. Now click the plus sign below your row to add a new section. Choose Regular Section again. Add a new row with 2 columns. On the left side, insert an image module. Upload a picture of your product or a mock-up or a screenshot. On the right side, add another text module. This will be your short product description. Write 2 or 3 sentences about what your product is and how it helps people. For example, our products blend style, functionality, and quality to enhance your everyday life. Whether you're looking for something practical or a touch of luxury, we offer thoughtfully crafted items designed to meet your needs and exceed expectations. Keep it short and clear. Under that, add a button module. This is your call to action button. In the button settings, change the text to something like Buy Now or Get Instant Access. Link the button to your checkout page or to a payment processor like PayPal or Stripe. Use the Design tab to change the button color and size. Make it stand out. Now, let's add a new section with testimonials. Click the blue plus sign to add a new regular section. Choose a 3-column row. In each column, add a testimonial module. If you don't see the testimonial module, just search for it in the module list. For each testimonial, add the person's name, photo if you have one, and what they said about your product. Use short and real quotes. If you don't have testimonials yet, you can skip this part or use placeholder text for now. After the testimonials, add another section that explains the features or benefits of your product. Click the blue plus sign to add a new section. Choose a single column row, then add a text module. This can be a short headline like, "Here's what you get." Below that, add a bulleted list module. List out the main features or benefits of your product. For example, step-by-step skincare routine videos. Learn how to care for your skin with guided tutorials tailored to different skin types and goals. downloadable skincare regimen templates, customizable daily and weekly skincare plans to keep your skin glowing and healthy. Proven skincare consultation scripts, ready-to-use messaging to help estheticians or skincare professionals convert inquiries into loyal clients. Lifetime access plus free product updates. Get unlimited access to all current and future skincare resources, techniques and tools. Keep the list easy to scan. Highlight the value of your product. Now we'll add a section to introduce yourself. This builds trust with your visitors. Add a new section. Use a 2-column layout. On the left side, add an image module with a photo of yourself. On the right side, add a text module. Write a short bio. Include who you are, your experience, and why you created this product. Try something like, "Hi, I'm John. I'm a licensed skincare specialist with over 8 years of experience helping clients achieve clear, healthy, and radiant skin. After working with hundreds of clients and running my own successful skincare business, I realized how many talented professionals struggle to attract consistent clients, despite having great services. Keep it friendly and honest." Next, add a section for frequently asked questions. Use a single-column row. Add a toggle module for each question. A toggle is a drop-down that opens when the user clicks on it. Write 3 to 5 common questions and answers. For example, how fast can I see results? Do I need any special tools or software? What if I don't like the product? Answer each one clearly and honestly. Now, let's finish the page with one last call to action. Ready to get started? You have everything you need to attract more skincare clients, grow your business, and feel confident doing it. Let's turn your passion into real, lasting success, starting today. Below that, add another button module. Use the same link and design as before so it matches. You now have a basic but effective sales page. Before publishing, make sure your page is mobile-friendly. In the Divi Builder, click on the phone icon in the bottom menu to switch to mobile view. Check how each section looks on smaller screens. You can adjust font sizes and spacing if needed. Once everything looks good, click Save in the bottom right corner. Go back to the top and click Publish to make your sales page live. To make the page look even cleaner, you can hide the WordPress header and footer. In the Divi page settings, click the gear icon at the bottom. Under Page Layout, select Blank Page. This removes the default menu and footer. This way, your visitors focus only on your sales message. Now that your page is live, you can start sending traffic to it. Share it on social media, link to it from your emails, or run ads to promote it, and that's it. You've just built a simple and powerful sales page using WordPress and Divi. Remember, there's a link in the description where you can try Divi from Elegant Themes at a great price. It's one of the easiest tools for building beautiful websites without code.